What's up, guys? Today we're playing Reanimal with Mookie Chief. Thanks for stopping in.
You okay?
Oh my god!
Uh-oh.
Come on.
I guess we're not supposed to go that way. We're supposed to run away that we can't see. Oh. Come here, Vic. I don't even know what I'm looking at.
To the left, down at the bottom. Nope, left to yep, right there. What are you seeing?
That's right, dog.
Well, there's one to the left too. The third one, second from left one, and then the two on the end at the same time. So
Third one?
sweet.
Are we sure that's what? Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay, but do we have to turn on the power? Oh yeah, probably. Come here. Alright, now let's go up here real quick.
Let's push this.
I don't know if there's any point to that or not.
I don't either.
Alright, so need to do third one? Okay. Ow. No, you dingus. Oh, okay, so it's going through it. It worked out. I bet we shoot the wall open. Hey, look. Oh, guess where we're at?
Take the ladder. Oh,
No.
Jesus Christ.
Where's our boat at? You mother... You really want to smoke right now? Huh? Fuck out of here. Yeah, I'd rather not look back. You know?
Man, I am.
You agree with that? Put it in there. Okay. Wait, we're supposed to aim this thing though, aren't we?
I
Wait,
can't
what?
see shit. Okay.
Why can't we, Are we even rotating the right way?
Oh no. Similarly.
What is going on with your body on my screen?
Oh, you mean?
You'll just have to watch the video and see. Oh, that's funny. Dude, get off of that thing. Oh my god. Where am I at?
You're outside? Where the hell did you go? Run up.
I am? Are you even able to go outside? We might just have to let it happen.
Can't help but feel like that was your fault.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
I'm not worried about that. Not worried at all. Put that right there. Vic, what are we doing wrong? Wait, what are we supposed to shoot?
Big guy. Keep going. Keep spinning.
I'm trying! I'm not spinning. Are we spinning?
Yeah. Hey, hold on. Reload.
Which way are we going?
Keep going left.
For some reason, I'm just locked. I can't see us moving at all, so you gotta tell me when to stop. Are we done? Uh-oh.
Not again.
Right there. Right there. Why can't I move? It's acting like I'm not even...
What the fuck?
I don't know why it's doing that.
I don't know. It's super dumb. I do know that.
Did? Oh, well, at least we're here where we shot the first time. Oh, wait. That one's still got the bullet. Going?
That was a full 360. Unless we're
I think we
supposed
gotta
to
use
take
it for
the.
something else.
I wonder if we gotta take the boat where we shot him at.
I don't even know where we shot him at.
I'm gonna say pretty much at the end of the cannon here. Yep, right there.
Before we take this boat out, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
Oh, welcome back.
Mom and them just got home. I got the harpoon. There's a battleship. I don't think we go that way. These kids look so happy to be here. Alright, what are you doing?
Texting.
Texting who?
Lee.
Ah. You want some? You want some? Fucking birds. Why you guys so aggressive toward us?
We did just kill their mother.
Yeah, well, their fault, not ours. Ah, come on, let's go up.
Oh, the chain. We're gonna climb the chain.
You know what I don't want to do tomorrow?
Work.
Yeah. I feel like one day is not enough.
One day.
But yeah, like one day of the work week not going to work. Not enough, dude. Wish I had like a four-day weekend or some shit like that. Oh, look, it's me that gets to go up first.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Is that the thing that we shot?
I think so.
Ah, come on, this way. Hey. Just keep sleeping, pal. We will not. I'm surprised that opening that door didn't wake that thing up. Oh, we get a new mask? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, Vic. Alright, what?
God damn it.
It was your idea.
No.
Yeah. It was your idea.
I thought I was getting a new hat.
I thought you were too. What up? I mean, it's cool. One small step for mankind. Oh, wait. One small step for what? What was it again? One giant leap for mankind is what it is.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Oh, I was going the right direction then. All right.
You were close.
You know, the fact that we're underwater right now tells me that we're gonna run into something we don't want to run into here in a minute.
Yeah.
I don't think we can get rid of these flares either. Wait, can we go over here? Nope.
That's the
That
thing we
boy.
shot.
Okay, well, we shot that thing.
You know what they teach us in the biz, right? When you kill it.
Yeah, why don't you come over here and hit Y? Are we seriously prying its eyeball out?
We are fucked up children.
Why do we need its eyeball?
What the fuck?
Oh, did you see that?
Yep.
I don't think it's happy we took its eye. Thank God for mines. Wait, this way. Something's gonna happen though. I can feel it. Oh, of course, lights turn on.
Why the fuck did we steal a tie?
I don't know, I'm wondering the same thing. And now that we have a light on, it's gonna show exactly where we're at. Go, 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 go. Wait, are we giving... Oh, walk up to this thing. We're giving the eye to this thing. What kind of shit is that?
Trust me, I'm a doctor. Is that a whale?
Does that mean it's gonna help us now?
Snake whale?
We probably need to do that to get it out of the way. What an interesting way to get that thing out of the way. Very interesting.
Guys, we got it out of the way. I just assumed we had to get something in the ship. I didn't know there was something blocking the path.
Yeah, well, I mean, we pissed off the thing that we took the eye from, so now we're gonna have to deal with that.
Jesus Christ. I'm like dodging everything. He's like, dodge my bomb, bitch.
No, it was I was trying to kill these guys. Oh my gosh, you're like hauling balls through there, so I can't kill them.
Well, listen, my camera was looking where you were looking. I couldn't see shit.
Okay.
Swanton bomb!
I got them. They're dead. Fuck them. Alright, I gotta get these bombs out of the way. Just in case. Oh, there's... Alright, they're dead. They're done. I got 'em.
Cool.